Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you Chanel's Denim Makeup Collection. Okay, so let's jump into this heavily sought after denim collection. In this collection, we have one hand cream in this beautiful limited edition pouch. We have a highlighter, 2 eyeshadow quads, 1 mascara, 2 eyeliners, 1 nail varnish, and 4 lippies. This collection is so sparkly and pretty, and I love wearing blues, so it was definitely right up my alley. So let's get into what I got. I have some lovely samples from my sales associate. I picked up both palettes in the collection. I originally just ordered one when I pre-ordered, but then I got to the store and I got to swatching the other one. And yeah, I had to pick that one up too. This first one is number 19, Denim Dream, which comes in this lovely denim pouch with the CCs on the front in pink. Love it. It has the traditional standard packaging, which is the black and white CCs. But y'all, look at this palette. It is so gorgeous. And that deep blue right there is what stole the show for me. I absolutely love this blue right here. It is the same color as the eyeliner, which you will see as well. So those together really got me. So I had to take this one home too. Now this next palette, number 29, Cocoa Jean, I knew I wanted this one, so I pre-ordered it. As you can see, the boxes are color-coded. Again, that's a nice touch if you want to store them in their boxes. So this one also comes with that beautiful jean pouch with the pink CC on the front. Again, standard packaging in the black and white. Now this palette is gorgeous as well. It leans neutral and it has that beautiful pop of blue. And y'all, that gold shade in there is stunning. I swatched it on my skin, y'all. It's beautiful. Next, I picked up one of the 4 Rouge Cocoa Flashes in the collection. And you know me, I got the most unique shade. It's number 284, Baby Blue. And when I tell y'all, this blue is a stunning shimmer on your lips. You can use it alone or as a topper. Y'all, it's so pretty on. Next, I picked up one of the 2 eyeliners. This one is in number 98, Blue Twill, which was a very unique color for me to add to my collection. It is a deep blue-gray shade that matches that deep blue shade in the Denim Dream palette. Now, the other eyeliner is this Blue Metal, which I already own and is part of their permanent collection. Next, I didn't pick up the Indigo Mascara in the collection, but it's a beautiful color. It just doesn't give me the volume. I like Le Volume de Chanel. I picked it up in number 70, Blue Night. And last but not least, the star of the show, what everyone wanted to get their hands on, the La Creme Main Hand Cream in this limited edition, beautiful jean pouch with the pink writing on it. The CC logo is on the pull tab in pink as well, which is a nice touch. Now, I already have all 3 of these hand creams in my collection, and I never thought it would be a repurchase until I saw this pouch. Y'all, this pouch got me. So I figured I could put a lipstick in here or something like that. As you can see, it fits. And I can clip it right on the side over here and attach it to the outside of my bag. Yeah, I think that'll be cute. Here's the other three that I already own. But yeah, I'm a sucker for packaging. You know that. I didn't get the nail polish in number 419 Legend because I have all these other beautiful blues too that will work, and it was a little deep. I wanted something a little lighter. I already own this oldie but goodie deep blue one here, and then I also own this vibrant blue in vibrato. My favorite oldie but goodie blue satin. Look at that one. And then I have Blue Boy, which is a nice one. I have this really light cocoa blue, which is an old-time favorite of mine as well. I have this pastel blue in Muse, which is part of their permanent line. I have this shade Wash Denim, which is a grayish blue, but I wish they would have did a light blue that was in the promo, but they mixed two colors. Next, y'all, let's get into the swatches. So here I'm swatching Blue Twill, and then next is the Blue Metal. So those are those two together. And then I had to throw in my VBB jean from, my girl Victoria Beckham. And next I'm going to do a swatch of the Lippy, the 284 Baby Blue, and let you see what that looks like. So you see there, it has a little bit of shimmer with that blue undertone. And here is a oldie but goodie blue. Different formula. This is just a lip gloss. And this gives you a cool tone to any lip product, or you can just simply wear it alone. That's what I do. And this is in the shade number 792. Okay, let's swatch the palettes. This first one here is the Denim Dream. And what I loved about these palettes were they were so sparkly, and your girl loves a good sparkle. So that's what really got me on these. Look at those shades. And that deep blue one there, I could not resist with that eyeliner. It was so gorgeous together. So yes, definitely love this one. And so the next one, the Cocoa Jean, I really love that vibrant blue in there, and I love that shimmery gold. Oh my gosh, these again was so sparkly, and that's what really drew me to this collection and why I wanted it, because I'm a sparkle girl, y'all. What can I say? It's gorgeous. Look at those shades. Oh my gosh. I completely fell in love with this collection. Now, I'm sure I probably have shadows that's similar to this in my collection. One that I can think of is this Rivage one right here that looks similar to the Cocoa Jean. Now, if you already have this in your collection, you probably are going to want to skip Cocoa Jean. It's no need to have both. Here is Quiet Revolution from an old collection that has a vibrant blue in it as well. I also did not pick up the highlighter in this collection. It was a pale blue with sparkles, but it just didn't show up well. And I thought of this one that I had from the Ocean collection, and it was that beautiful sparkly mermaid one that really shows up, and I really like that because again, I'm a sparkle girl. But if you like something subtle, go for the one in this new collection because it's very light. So next I'm going to just put on some of the hand cream. I just have the one that I already have open in my collection. I'll probably gift the one that I just got. So yeah, that's how it looks there. And as you can see, as I'm putting it around my hand, it does give your hand a little moisture, but it dissipates really fast, leaving my hands back dry again. So it's not my favorite. So that's it, guys. That's all I had to share with you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want anything from this collection, y'all, you better jump on it fast because this collection is really sought after. Again, I pre-ordered most of my items. I only picked up one item when I came into the store to add to what I already pre-ordered. But again, it's going fast. Comment down below if you guys liked anything here, you saw anything that piqued your interest, or tell me if you picked up anything yourself. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.